Good morning, everybody. Thank you for coming here. This is the first initiative for the project. The bank decided to start the Salesforce implementation to basically change the way we work today, and this project is very innovative because at the end of the day we hope to be able to move from the legacy system to the front end, because we believe in the single customer view and the capability to concentrate all our efforts in delivering the right actions to the customer. This Ignite workshop, which is a specific methodology and led by Salesforce, is a different way to share ideas among groups, among different people, sharing even experience.
You might notice it's very quiet now. We've just got into the concept sketching phase of creative confidence.
So the teams are currently scribbling away and they're creating their prototypes of what the future innovation will be for Bank FIs. They're all working very diligently. We have had a lot of activity, a lot of emotion, and this is the first time we've actually seen them quietly thinking of what's next.
We've migrated into ideas that are kind of sketched out into crazy eights, and now we're converting those into storyboards in a more organized fashion, and we'll be able to build this because we're really using agile methodologies to create these concepts as quick as possible using the stories. We're jumping right to what needs to get done to add value as quick as possible.
Your solution, business rest, a simple and fast application of IFIS bank, data info or other.
Identification of the company. At what stage you are? You are a starter or you are an established company?
We will share the project worldwide in order to build the global trend of the fashion stylist.
Choose your glass wine.
I'm really happy.